Maayon Adolu, hello everyone and welcome to Pinchu TV. This is your Philippine market wrap for October 29, 2025, English edition. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index rebounded slightly today as bargain hunter returned to the market, while investors remained cautious amid light trading and mixed sectoral performance. Let's take a closer look at how the market moved today. The PSEi added a 10.61 points, or 0.18%, closing at 5,963.77. It was a mild rebound after two straight days of decline. Investors were taking advantage of a cheaper stock price after the index slipped below the 6,000 mark. Sector performance are mixed. Industrials led the gainers, rising 1.39%, while mining and oil jumped 3.29% on stronger global metal prices. Financials gained 0.56%, and holding firms advanced 0.78%. Meanwhile, property slipped 0.78%, and services fell 0.63%. Reflecting worries about the high interest rate and slower consumer spending. Overall, the market is stabilizing but still waiting for a clear catalyst. Among the most active stocks, Ayala dropped 2.66% to 20 pesos and 15 centavos, and ICTSI slipped 1.57% to 531 pesos and 50 centavos. BDO Unibank rose 0.52%, BPI added 0.58%, and Ayala Corporation climbed 1.49%. Manila Water surged 3.17%, Jollibee Food gained 0.73%, and PLDT edged up 0.18% to 1,112 pesos. Gainers outnumbers losers 110 to 74 with 61 unchanged. Beyond today's modest rebound, one corporate headline drew major attention, a move that could reshape the country's financial landscape. The operator of GCash, the Philippine leading e-wallet, has secured financial approval for a stock split, laying the groundwork for potential IPO. Globe Fintech Innovations Inc, also known as Mynt, received a green light from the Security and Exchange Commission to increase its common shares from 2.1 billion to 71.66 billion. While cutting the par value from 1 pesos to 3 centavos. Its authorized capital stock stays unchanged at 2.15 billion pesos. Stock splits like this make shares appear more affordable and liquid, a typical step before public listing. Mynt President and CEO Marsh Zazun said the restructuring future-proofs the company for any capital raising opportunities, which could include the IPO. She emphasized that this strengthens Mynt flexibility as it expands its fintech ecosystem from digital payment and credit to insurance, savings, and investment. GCash now serves more than 85 million registered users, making it one of the largest fintech platforms in Southeast Asia. Industry observers estimate a potential valuation at around $8 billion, which would make GCash among the latest IPOs in the Philippine history. The timing is notable. The PSEi has declined by about 9% since the start of the year, as investors react to high interest rate and global market volatility. A successful GCash listing could bring new energy to the local bourse, attract both institutional and retail investors and showcase the strength of the country's digital finance sector. Analysts believe the IPO's timing will depend on the market recovery and investors' appetite. Still, this restructuring signals confidence in the long-term prospects in the Philippine fintech industry. As millions of Filipinos use e-wallets for bills, remittances, and online shopping, platforms like GCash are becoming central to everyday life and to the digital economy. The potential listing could also inspire more local tech companies to consider the Philippine Stock Exchange as a viable venue for rising capital. To recap, the market inched higher today, supported by bargain hunting and renewed optimism from the GCash restructuring story. While global uncertainties persist, the long-term growth outlook for Philippine equities, especially in fintech and consumer sectors, remains strong. Thank you for watching Pinchu TV. I'm Satoshi, and this has been your Philippine market wrap for October 29, 2025. Salamat kayo, I'm Ping. Thanks so much and take care.